Be honest here. Do you feel like you're making money, but you constantly feel broke? Like your bills are paid, but still there's no peace. And every month you're wondering where all your money went. If that's you, this video is for you. If you're new here, hi, my name is Miranda. Welcome to the channel. And if you are not new here, welcome back. I hope you can stick around. It is a new year and we are getting to habits that are going to change the trajectory of how 2026 is going to look. This isn't a stop spending, stop living type of video. This is a no spend list of 2026. And just because this is my no spend list, it does not mean that it has to be yours, but I'm just gonna give you some ideas of how you can save a little bit of money. So why a no spend list? Most of us don't overspend because we're irresponsible. We overspend because convenience is expensive, impulse buys are emotional, and we've been taught that spending is self-care. Guilty. Very guilty. And a no spend list is not about restrictions. It is more about boundaries and how you can better yourself for the new year. So let's get into the things that are quietly draining your bank account and how we can make that stop. Impulse clothing and just because outfits. You don't need more clothes, you need more outfits. And that means to start looking at the things that you already have in your closet and figuring out ways that you can change how the aesthetic may feel or look to you. Because sometimes we're seeing an outfit and we're only seeing it one type of way, but I think we should start looking at how we can wear things multiple ways to make life a little bit easier. Fast fashion, random hauls, and trend pieces that you wear once are going to add up and leave you feeling like you have nothing to wear in your closet. So let's talk about tips to reducing spending. Use the 48-hour rule. If you want it after 2 days, reevaluate and look at it again. Create a fantasy self-checklist. Ask, would I wear this weekly or could I wear this weekly with what I already have? Build outfits before buying. If you can't style it 3 different ways, skip it. And make sure you are unsubscribing to brand emails because they are literally there to tempt you. So clearly the marketing team is doing their job. And just another heads up, you're not missing out. Your money is staying with you for bigger and better things. Overpriced beauty and backup products. Having 4 foundations, 6 lip glosses, and backups on backups do not make you more put together. I said it and I will say it again. It just ties your money up in products that are literally expiring in your drawer. The tip is going to be to build a 1 in, 1 out rule for your skincare and makeup routine. So that means to look at your products, analyze what you're going to use constantly, what you might not be using constantly, and understand what you're going to finish and some things that you're probably never going to use again. Track cost per use, not price. Sometimes we buy items and we're like, oh my gosh, we're gonna use this so many times. And then we use it once and we're like, okay, why did I just spend $50 on something I'm only using once? It's a waste of money. Avoid buying from a future self mindset. Because a lot of the times we look at products and we're like, oh yeah, like my baddie self in 2027 is going to love this. But are you as an individual right now going to love it as much as you think? Probably not. Looking good is not about owning more. It's about utilizing what you have now and making it work for you. Constant food delivery and coffee runs. This one hurts because it feels small, but it definitely adds up. And I'm sitting here with my $2 drink, but if you're buying those multiple times a week, it is going to add up. Pick 2 non-negotiable treats a week. Do not exceed the 2. Because I know you're like, oh my God, I need a sweet treat. And I'm the same way. But you don't. So look at getting 2 sweet treats a week. And that's about it. Keep easy, lazy meals or meal prep because it makes it so much easier because a lot of the times we just look at food as convenience when we're out and about and we'll spend the money as opposed to making it at home because we're tired. Make coffee at home during the week. Buy it out intentionally. So my rule for this year is I will not be buying coffee out and about. And this one my mom bought for me, so it's free. Girl math. I will not be buying it unless I am out with friends or getting coffee or a new cafe, but other than that, it doesn't happen very often. But I will not be buying Tim Hortons, Starbucks, all of that stuff, unless someone buys it for me. Delete delivery apps and your saved info to those delivery apps. And it makes it so convenient. It's literally 2 clicks and you can have a whole meal, but we are wasting so much money. Convenience is expensive and preparation is freedom. Let's learn that, friends. Random Amazon and late night scrolling purchases. Most of these purchases are not a need. It's because you're bored or you need that fix of dopamine. Something you can do is add this to your cart, but don't check out. Because a lot of the times we do that and we're like, ooh, yeah, ooh, online shopping. And that's as far as we want it to go because we don't actually need the item. Create a wish list that you can review monthly. And ask yourself, what emotion am I trying to fix right now by buying this item? Set a rule for no buying after 9 p.m. because I know you're bored at home scrolling. Stop it. Your future self does not need another package. You need peace. Not problems. Overspending on social plans and saying yes to too much. Saying yes to everything is going to drain your wallet and your energy. Suggest low-cost alternatives like going on a walk, chilling at home, doing things for free in the city. Budget a monthly fun allowance and when it's gone, it's gone. You can't spend anymore. Remember that every invite does not deserve your money. You're allowed to have boundaries without guilt and say no to hanging out with your friends if you feel like you are not financially stable enough to do so. Don't let them guilt trip you. And how to actually stick to a no spend list. Name your why. I know for a fact there's probably a bigger reason as to why you would like to save money, whether that's travel, debt, financial freedom, whatever the case may be. Remember that you were doing it for a bigger cause. A big thing that I've done is automated my savings so that it actually goes into my savings before I have a chance to spend it. Track spending weekly, not daily. It is going to show you all the little things that you are spending money on that you do not need to be. Replace spending habits with free habits. Take a walk, do some journaling, do some cooking, because you have to do it anyways because I told you to meal prep. 2026 is not about being perfect with our money, but it is about being intentional. You don't need to earn more to feel better. You need to protect what you're already making. If this video helps you, save it, share it with a friend, someone who needs it, and comment below what you will be adding to your no spend list. You're not behind. Please remember that. You are just getting clear. Thank you for watching. I hope you can like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. See ya.